Welcome to Daily English Voices. In this episode, two friends ask and answer everyday questions. It's perfect for A2 plus learners. Listen, repeat, and practice your English with us.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is Sandy.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Do you speak English?
A little, but I'm learning.
Are you learning English now?
Yes, I study every day
Why are you learning English?
because it's important for communication.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
Are you American?
No, I'm not.
How do you feel today?
I feel good, thank you.
How was your day?
My day was very good.
What time is it now?
It's 10 a.m.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 25th.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, pizza is my favorite food.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, a little.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pasta.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
How many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers.
How old is your brother?
He is 20 years old.
What is his name?
His name is John.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
What is your dream?
My dream is to travel the world.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What is your job?
I am a doctor.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is photography.
Do you play guitar?
No, I can't play guitar.
Can you dance salsa?
No, I can't dance salsa.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV every night.
Do you read books?
Yes, I'm reading a novel.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 a.m.
Do you like the morning or the evening?
I prefer the evening.
How is the weather today?
The weather is sunny.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos.
Do you have a car?
Yes, my car is blue.
How much does your phone cost?
It costs $600.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim well.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I'm very afraid of snakes.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you use Facebook?
Yes, I am on Facebook.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends makes me happy.
Are you tired now?
Yes, I'm a little tired.
Are we finished?
Yes, we are finished.